Hey guys, so here's something different. Our property is overrun by voles and mice and a lot of different things, and I have set out nothing in that one. They stole the bait. Oh, battery's flashing. They stole the bait off that one. It's live traps, or live catch traps, because I don't really want to destroy them. I just want to get rid of them. And that one's stolen. I need to figure out a better way to fasten the bait, because they have that. This is the second day now that they stole the bait, and I need to figure something out on that one. Maybe build a better trap myself. Who knows? Anyways, thanks guys. Bye.